Hi, today I am doing a Honda iShift 2007 plate, and the car came to us. The problem was in the code coming P19EF and shift motor actuators lines open circuit, and the other code was coming. You can see P0909 transmission shift change actuator neutral position learn value out. If you have this type of problem, the common problem, you can see that in my video, the motor of the selectors on the top is inside, have the linkages breakdown. So if you have this type of the problem, you have to bring the car to us. We are in Heathrow near Heathrow. My phone number is 074025368382 and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can contact me anytime, and you have to bring the car. We're gonna complete refurbish and put back, and the car will be ready like 3 to 4 hours. You can see the next video, and then what thing is broken I will show in the video. Thanks for watching my videos, and can you check my other videos as well. Thanks, bye. You can see here is a selector motor, and this is the actuator here. I can't get the code P0810, but I find the problem. Where is the problem? This is the motor of the selectors on the top, and this bit is broken. You can see here, this bit is broken from here, and it's very difficult to get. We can repair that unit, and we'll see how it's gonna be work, because this is very expensive and you can't get the second hand unit. New one is nearly 600-700 pounds. So I will try my best, yeah, what I can do. Okay, thank you.